Robotics has emerged as a transformative force in operations management, reshaping industries by enhancing efficiency, precision, and safety. By automating various tasks, businesses have been able to meet rising demand while maintaining high standards of quality. However, the integration of robotics also comes with its challenges. Let's explore the application of robotics in operations management, along with examples that demonstrate their impact. The first major area where robotics has had a significant influence is automated material handling. In many industries, robots transport materials and products within warehouses and production lines, reducing the need for manual labor and increasing overall efficiency. For instance, Amazon employs Kiva robots in its fulfillment centers, which navigate shelves and deliver products to human workers for packing. This automation has revolutionized Amazon's operations, allowing it to fulfill a high volume of orders quickly and efficiently. Another key area is assembly line automation. Robotic systems are commonly used in assembly lines to perform repetitive tasks with precision, speeding up the production process. A prime example is Tesla, which utilizes advanced robots for welding, painting, and installing components in its electric vehicles. This automation enhances Tesla's production speed, reduces human error, and ensures a consistent level of quality throughout its manufacturing process. In addition to production tasks, robotics is used extensively in quality control and inspection. Robots equipped with vision systems can detect defects in products, ensuring that items meet strict quality standards before reaching consumers. FANUC, a leading manufacturer of industrial robots, provides automated inspection systems that use machine vision to analyze products as they move down the production line. By identifying defects early, these systems prevent subpar products from reaching customers, enhancing overall product reliability. Robotics also plays a crucial role in processes like welding and fabrication. General Motors, GM, uses robotic welding systems in its automotive plants, where precision and continuous operation are essential for assembling car bodies. These robotic systems ensure high-quality welds and boost production rates by working around the clock without fatigue, reducing both the need for manual labor and the likelihood of error. In packaging and palletizing, robots are now essential in handling products efficiently, stacking them on pallets, and preparing them for shipping. Coca-Cola, for instance, employs robotic palletizers to stack bottles automatically. This system not only speeds up the packaging process, but also reduces the need for human workers, driving down labor costs. Robots have also made their way into service industries. For example, Miso Robotics developed Flippy, a robot used in fast food restaurants to flip burgers and fry food. This automation enhances efficiency in kitchens, ensuring consistent product quality while allowing human workers to focus on more complex tasks like customer service. In healthcare, robotics is revolutionizing patient care. The Vinci surgical system is a robotic-assisted platform that enables surgeons to perform minimally invasive surgeries with greater precision than traditional methods. This advancement has significantly improved patient outcomes, reducing recovery times and minimizing surgical risks. Agricultural robotics is another growing field where technology is being applied to automate tasks like planting, harvesting, and monitoring crops. John Deere's acquisition of Blue River Technology introduced robots such as See and Spray, which uses computer vision to identify and spray weeds selectively. This reduces the need for herbicides and improves crop yields, making farming more sustainable. Logistics companies, too, are benefiting from robotics. FedEx utilizes robotic systems in its sorting facilities, optimizing the handling and sorting of packages. This technology improves accuracy and efficiency in the shipping process, ensuring that packages reach their destinations on time. In the construction industry, robotics has started to automate tasks like bricklaying and demolition. A great example is the SAM, semi-automated mason robot, which can lay bricks much faster than a human worker, significantly increasing productivity and efficiency on construction sites. Despite these advancements, the widespread adoption of robotics in operations management brings both advantages and disadvantages. One of the primary benefits is increased productivity and efficiency. Robots like the Kiva systems at Amazon work around the clock without fatigue, enabling companies to meet high demand while reducing processing times. Additionally, robotics enhances precision and quality, as seen in Tesla's use of robots in its assembly lines. These machines perform tasks like welding with extreme accuracy, reducing defects and ensuring consistency across products. Another advantage is the long-term cost savings that robotics offers. While the initial investment in robotics can be high, automation reduces labor costs, minimizes waste, and improves operational efficiency. Foxconn, for example, invested in robots to automate much of its production, which has led to significant savings in labor expenses over time. Robotics also improves workplace safety by taking over dangerous tasks. At Boeing, robotic arms handle the drilling and fastening of aircraft parts, tasks that could be hazardous for human workers. This reduces the risk of workplace injuries and makes the production environment safer. On the downside, robotics requires a high initial investment. For companies like Tesla, billions of dollars have been spent to automate their production lines, a cost that smaller businesses may find prohibitive. Maintenance costs are another challenge, as robotic systems require regular upkeep to avoid malfunctions and costly downtime. Boeing, for instance, faced production delays in 2017 due to issues with its automated assembly lines. Another major concern is job displacement. As robots take over tasks once performed by humans, industries like manufacturing have seen significant layoffs. Foxconn, after automating much of its production process, reduced its workforce, highlighting the potential social and economic impact of widespread automation. In conclusion, despite these challenges, the benefits of robotics in operations management are undeniable, Anviton. From increasing efficiency to improving safety, the adoption of robotics allows businesses to remain competitive in a fast-evolving marketplace. However, to fully harness these benefits, companies must carefully weigh the costs and potential drawbacks, such as job displacement and high initial investments. A balanced approach, combining robotics with human oversight, can help businesses maximize the advantages while mitigating risks.